Hello, I'm Anton, the owner of Burridge Electrical, and today we're going to do a EICR. I'm on an empty property for veterans housing. Obviously we've got to do a test before the tenants move in. I'm going to go through a couple little things. I ain't got to go into detail, I don't want to bore the crap out of you. But yeah, let's see how this one pans out. There's a DB in the kitchen cupboard. So we've got our main switch, an RCD, MCBs, another RCD and MCBs. Let's get a panel. Yeah. That's all shut down. Now that it's all isolated, I'll get it open up and have a internal inspection and do some tests inside here. Right, although we've isolated it, got to make sure the outgoing circuits are dead. So just quickly make sure my tester works. Let's get that on the earth. That's on the earth there. Showing the line. Incoming, yep, 230 volts. Neutral to earth. Neutral. Yep. Let's try the outgoing side. Yep, dead. 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 Make sure my tester works. Yep. So this is now dead, so we can work on this safely. Carrying out an internal inspection of items. You can see there's earth there. They put the switch live identification on there. Where we've got green, not green and yellow. Not too bad. Another pendant internal inspection. That's what we got here. So switch live is identified. Visually checking polarity. We've got our lives and neutrals in the right place. Until I test it properly, dead test and live test, we can make sure that polarity is correct. And it all observed. Yep. I have a wall light here. When I open it up, I'll check to see if he is adequately earthed. Let's check the inside of this light switch, make sure everything's connected properly. Yeah, slight bits of exposed copper there. Got the switch live on there, identification. Could have done with it on these ones as well, but it's not a C2 or anything, so it's not a problem. Again, another switch here. They've identified the switch live. Although the earth sleeving's green, there's old colours in there. We could have done with like a connector block on this earth. But again, it's not potentially dangerous. I'll just make a note on the report. Is it tight in there? If it's nice and tight. go. Yeah, you can see the grommets. Cables coming in. See, it's not, that bolt's not earthed. There's the lug up there. Let's have a quick look in the loft as we got access. It's an empty property, so there shouldn't be anything up here. Got a light switch, little hole in the side. Cable is supported up to the pendant. Clips is good. Quite a fair bit of insulation up here, so pulling all that apart. Whoa. Looks like they've had something done over here. The junction box over there, so I'll open him up, have a look, make sure it's connected properly, earthed, etc. We've got our boiler system. See, cable just chucked in. That's obviously probably the plumbers. Again, probably plumbers. A bit of difference in workmanship here. Obviously, it's nicely neatly cleated, although done with filling that in a bit, but all nicely cleated, well positioned, supported throughout the whole entire of its length. And then you got this, literally just lashed in. Visually verifying supplementary bonding. It's lugged on, the tags there, nice and tight. Could probably scratch all the paint off it, off the pipe work, before you put that clamp on. That's like two. Yeah. Right. This is our incoming tails, live and neutral. Looks like 16s. That's all our outgoing circuits. 3 in there for some reason. Probably one of them is the boiler. And then we got, that looks like our main earth, 16. And we got a bond there, so we'll see what bond that is. Gas or water, either one. Right, I'm going to test one of these rings end to end to ensure we've got continuity throughout. So on the neutrals, I ain't going to go into the full test methods of this, but so we've got 0.44, so the lives should be the same, around the same. So we've got 0.45, so that's about the same. Then we got our earth. Now this looks like a 2.5, a 1 mil earth. So we should have a reading that's 2.5 times greater than the live and neutrals. Let's have a quick end to end on that. Right, so we got, it's open on the CPC, so we haven't got continuity there. So I'm going to have to investigate that and try and find that. Let's test these socket outlets to find our open CPC or open earth. So I've got a reading on that one, so he's okay. We've got another socket over here. Yep, we got a reading on that one. So we're getting away from it. Let's try one of these in there. Let's do random. This one. Again, we got a reading, so we're getting further away from the fault or open CPC. Let's try another socket in it. Let's try this one here. So we've got a reading of 135. Still got continuity there. Let's move that out of the way. Let's see if we've got a reading on this one. Well, there's no reading. Let's just check. Right, so this is probably our faulty socket, or not faulty, should I say? Where our open earth is. It's one of the conversion sockets. So behind there is a single back box, and they've put one of these on. Got to take these little nuggins out, little lug covers out, and unscrew it. Yep, and that appears to be our problem there. So if I connect them back up, do another end-to-end test, make sure we've got continuity there. Right, now I've connected the MRFs back up. Let's find out if we've got continuity. Like I said, this is 2.51 mil, so this should be, the resistance reading should be 2.5 times greater than the line and neutral. And I think, what's that? The line was 0.44445. So we're probably having something over 1 ohm. Let's get that on there. Well, that's if we got continuity this time. On there. There we go, 1.18. We'll do a global IR test. If I pick up any funny readings, then I'll start splitting the circuits down. But we've got it on the earth terminal, and we're going to test between live and earth. Fine. That's fine. Do an external earth loop reading. .21, good. Well, that's the EICR at this property complete.